ओके गाइस, फाइनली मेरा माइक आ गया है. आई हैव टू गिव कैश. ऐसी चीज़ों में टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करने का. What do we have here? We have the Rode mic ready to hook on my M50. Let's see how this performs. You guys need to tell me how it performs. Finally guys, Rode mic आ चुका है. This goes on the camera. Install this. This coffee turned out to be really good. And I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm using the new mic. I hope it's working fine. I don't even know if I have to do some adjustments or not. वो सब मैंने किया ही नहीं है. It is a good day and yes, am I purchasing a new bike? That's the question. Yes, I am. I've made up my mind. And ये तो actually काफ़ी टाइम से चल रहा था. The weather is amazing today. So it's breezy, a little rainy. I think I'll go for a bit of a ride also on my Yakuza. So you know, in my previous vlogs मैंने काफ़ी बार बोला है that something big is happening. Bike is one of it. I said in my vlog 3 things are happening. One is confirmed, one is done. Yes, 2 jobs are pending. One is motorcycle, which I am sharing with you guys today. The third one is humongous. Okay, today the light is green. I'm wearing green. That's the best part. You can change any color you want. This is just for fun. I'm sure now the question is which motorcycle I'm planning to buy. That's the big thing, because should I go for a premium bike or should I buy a lighter motorcycle? So मैं क्यों बोलता हूँ कि sports bikes challenge है मुंबई में, because NH48 is the only road where all inline 4 और sports bike guys enjoy. Yes, मैंने भी वो काफ़ी past में किया है. And obviously that time I was not a vlogger, so I used to take my friends' bikes and you know we used to go in groups. और हम NH48 ही जाते थे क्योंकि वो ही बहुत अच्छा रोड है. बेसिकली द मुंबई गुजरात हाईवे, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट व्हाट मुंबई कैन गेट, स्पेशली गोइंग हार्ड ऑन स्पोर्ट्स. बट मेरा प्लान सिंपल है. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर एडवेंचर मोटरसाइकिल. यस, यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो. अब सवाल ये होता है, शुड आई गो फॉर अ प्रीमियम मोटरसाइकिल और शुड आई गो फॉर अ लाइट वेट. Lightweight में there are a couple of options, like you have the Himalayan, you have the KTM Adventure, you have the X-Pulse and so and so. And heavier motorcycles, you guys know that there is Triumph. So GT is good for me, 850 Sport is good for me, Honda Africa Twin अपनी favorite है. So I can honestly even get that at this stage of my life, or I can wait for some more time riding a liter class or a heavy motorcycle for adventure. सो ये सारी चीज़ें पॉइंट में है. सुजुकी वी-स्टॉर्म 650 जो सबसे पहले लॉन्च हुई थी, इनफैक्ट बैंगलोर में जब मैं मुंबई कन्याकुमारी कर रहा था, आई वॉज द फर्स्ट गाय टू स्पॉट दैट इन वन शोरूम. मैंने वीडियो भी डाला है बहुत टाइम पहले एंड आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. वो मेरे लिए भी परफेक्ट है, बट इट्स स्टिल ऑन द हेवियर साइड. सो अगर टोरिंग एस्पेक्ट ज़्यादा रखना है, इट डजेंट मैटर, टेक अ हैवी बाइक, इट्स गुड. पर अगर ज़्यादा थोड़ा बहुत कच्चा रास्ता, ऑफ रोड हियर एंड देयर, देन लाइटर मोटरसाइकिल. सो ये कन्फ्यूजन हर एडवेंचर सीकर के लिए होता ही है. थिंग इज़ दैट I need to have a motorcycle which will solve my purpose. So don't think I'm selling this bike and buying another bike. I like the Interceptor 650 a lot. So फिलहाल मैं ये यूज़ करूँगा and I might buy another bike. So that's the whole plan. तीसरा प्रोजेक्ट है जो मैं आप लोग से शेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That project, if that happens, I'll have to really plan this bike idea very well. There are few bikes I have narrowed down. I'll be test riding them. आप comment ज़रूर करना that while test riding should I review these bikes or not. If I do that, that'll be fun. If not, I'll straight away buy the bike and reveal to you guys. मेरा वैक्सीनेशन भी पेंडिंग है, which I'm supposed to do tomorrow. मैंने लास्ट वीक 2 बाइक का टेस्ट राइड भी लिया है, पर मैंने शूट नहीं किया है because certain test rides which I'm purchasing, I don't shoot because I'm first analyzing how it is. So वो आप लोग को मैं definitely पूरी स्टोरी बताऊंगा how it went. Please avoid the washing machine noise, but I hope the mic is doing justice. Okay, I had awesome meal right now and I just hung up with my buddy from KTM. Yes, I had planned my first test ride today of KTM Adventure 390. वैसे ये बाइक मैंने 3 बार प्रॉपर्ली चलाई है. इफ़ यू नॉट सीन माई कोंकण राइड, आई डिड एक्सचेंज माई 790 विथ अकीव. Akeev is a guy who gave me his Adventure, which was very well customized. He had some sprocket change also, which was really good, and I rode all the way till Karad. I don't understand these premium bike sellers concept. I am actually a buyer. मैं आपको एक quick experience बताता हूँ. मैं एक premium bike showroom में गया था and I'm telling him personally that I saw this bike which is recently launched and he shared me some features के थोड़ी सस्ती भी है, you'll save your 2 lakh rupees which you can add on to get your pannier set and everything. And I was like pretty excited, and he even took my number, okay, and I'm a potential buyer and I'm telling him I'm interested. He never calls me, okay. So a message to, maybe he is laid back, or maybe he's slipped my number, but a message to premium bike owners: if there are guys in your showroom who are actually saving up a lot of money to get their dream bikes, and if you just take it for granted, well, I know your companies are doing great and it won't make a big difference. It won't even pinch your wallet because the companies are really good, but that's not customer satisfaction. That's my opinion. I'm just sharing with you guys. But overall, that's got nothing to do with me buying that bike, because अगर मुझे पसंद है मैं लूँगा, and maybe इसीलिए they are laid back. They know this will sell for sure. So anyways, my other experience also I'll capture. That's the whole plan. Now the whole thing boils down to premium bike versus a lightweight bike. That's where the whole thing, yeah. An inline 4, which is my dream bike, that's greed, okay. The question you guys must be thinking, why don't you travel on an Interceptor? It is completely possible. So it's not that I will not travel on my Interceptor, okay. I can do few mods also and make it a bit adventure friendly. But the whole point is, I always, if you guys are my previous followers, you all will know it. The new followers will know now. I always had a dream of having 2 bikes. One would be my passion bike, which would be a parallel twin or an inline 4, maybe like the CV750 Honda, or like now that I have the Interceptor 650, which I thoroughly enjoy. And I always wanted an ADV, always wanted an adventure bike which can take me anywhere. I'm not saying you can't go on Interceptor anywhere. You can actually go everywhere where all these adventure bikes go. It completely depends on the rider. So because of the range, I had removed this bag off and I had put the smaller pannier, but here I don't have to worry. You see this advantage of the cover. Okay, so 5 minutes. The reason I'm carrying a bigger bag today is I have to get a lot of groceries and stuff, and I have not put the seat properly.
ऐसे करूँ या कैसे करूँ?
हाँ बस ऐसे ही, just putting a hole through it. Okay, so we have removed all the stuff and look how dope it looks. I think we'll have to keep the risers, right? Because if you turn it now. Yeah, because of the riser it will not touch here. Well, this is how badass this looks. Let's ride it. Okay, I'm back. I took a nice shower because I was near the garage, and we are trying to be very, very careful, especially when we are doing mods. This is how the clip-on feel of the drag bar is. It looks really, really old school, but I have a wrist problem. Not that it creates problem on a wrist. I have a wrist problem on the right side. That's why it's a little risky for me. So this is just to show you all that if you punch 2 extra holes on the drag bars, basically you can keep it simple how they were done before. If you've not seen my videos, please check that out. If you turn it around, punch in holes and move the switches, the kill switch and the other switch on top, it becomes dope ass cafe racer feel. So if you want to convert into a cafe racer, it can be, but then till my new bike comes, I have to again install, and this is the effort I take to show you guys how the bike looks in every different avatar. Hope you guys like this video. Now I can officially say, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.